So, let's get started. The first thing you need is RoboDK project with the layout. Remember, the layout is robots, weldment, and position are located on the space. Then, in FreeCAD, having your MANUFAI welding add-on active, you can see I have two positions. Welds already defined with the torch vectors, and once you have your modeling done, click the RoboDK export button. Load your layout and select the output path. OK and wait for the automatic configuration of the welding trajectories. Open the new RoboDK file, and that's it. I am going to update the programs, and there you go. Let's run the simulation.